Hey everybody, it's KickAss Kylie and I am back for day 3, your recipe for success to set you up for success to make 2023 your best year yet. So I have just come down to one of my favorite spots here in the Whitsundays. So this is Whisper Bay. You can see there is a massive rainstorm just coming in through. And I was literally coming here because I had my morning coffee, but I also love to sit here and watch for turtles. And I just had a beautiful turtle swim right up to the edge, just down here near the rocks. And oh my gosh, he came up and he was with me for like about 30 seconds. It was amazing. So that rainstorm's looking a bit gnarly. So let's get into day 3. So day 1, we talked about getting clarity on what is your goal. If you aim at nothing, you're guaranteed to hit it. Day 2 was what's holding you back. So today is what is your game plan? So only 8% of people actually achieve their New Year's resolutions goals. And one of the main reasons for that is they set a goal, but they don't have a plan. And if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. So when you set a goal, what you then want to do, I call it my focus 5. So I pump my favorite song on as loud as I can, and often I come down to a beautiful place just like this, or I sit in my treehouse and look out over the beautiful views, because this is the beautiful view that I have from my treehouse, which is, whoa, kind of up there somewhere. So focus 5. So pop the music on, grab your journal, and what you're going to do for 5 minutes is you're just going to focus on that goal and brainstorm, journal, write down all of the things that you would have to do to achieve that goal. So what's your plan to get you from where you are now to where you want to be? There's going to be a step by step, because what happens when you set a goal is it can feel really big and overwhelming. So you want to break it down into bite-sized chunks and then break that down into small actionable steps. So what are all the little baby steps? Because then every day you just got to do one little thing, take one bite-sized chunk towards that goal. Because, you know, one of my favorite quotes, how would you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. And it's the same with your goals. So you want to set your goal now, and you want to brainstorm, like, what is your plan? What are all of those steps to get you from where you are to where you want to be, in what order? And you also want to look at what do you have to do on a daily basis, because we are creatures of habit and we become what we repeatedly do consistently day in, day out. So what are those little things? So for example, one of my goals is to sail around the world. So I had to go, okay, well, I probably need to learn how to sail. So I went down to the sailing club and joined their twilight sailing. So I now get to sail with beautiful, amazing people who've got lots of experience every Wednesday to learn how to do that. I also enrolled to do my coxswain's course starting on the 9th of January. Now, I've been on the water and driven boats most of my life. I was brought up, my dad was a boatie and had a fishing charter business. So I think I was 5 days old the first day I was on the water. Now, I know the ocean, I know water, but I don't know how to do all of the safety and the maintenance, and and learning more about that. Like, if you're out there, it can get pretty gnarly. So I wanted to learn more. So when it comes to your goal, what is it that you don't know? Because if you already knew how to get there, you probably would have achieved it. So maybe you need to learn something new. Maybe you need to find a mentor or a coach who can actually teach you the things that you don't know so that you can actually get to that goal. And then you want to look at what are those consistent daily disciplines that you need to do on a daily basis for you to achieve your goals. So for example, one of my goals for 2023, I've had it for a couple of years now, is to be a happy, healthy, sexy, strong 68 kilos, size 10. So when it comes to health goals, you want to look at what are all of those little things you need to do on a daily basis. I need to walk. I need to drink more water. I need to look at my food. Like, what are all of those little things that you need to do so that you can hit your goals and set yourself up for success? Now, as we go into this final month of the year, you want to be getting yourself prepared, because when you go to, achieve these goals on the 1st of January, if you start flat-footed, imagine that you're a race car driver. Now, they don't turn up to the track, you know, when the race is starting. They've already done months of preparation to get the car ready, to get the drivers ready, you know, in the pits, warming up the cars, doing all of the things, and they've got the engine revving, so when that start gun goes, they are off. And you want to be exactly the same when it comes to setting your New Year's resolutions and setting yourself up for success for 2023. Otherwise, by the time you get momentum, you're going to be into February and you've already lost the first month, and we don't want that. So guys, I hope that that's added some value today. If you know someone who needs to hear this, please tag them and share them in the video. Let me know if you're catching me live or if you're watching the replay. Wishing you a wonderful weekend here from the beautiful Whisper Bay in the Whitsundays, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4 for your next step in this recipe for success, your daily dose of KickAssity to set you up for success and make 2023 your best year yet. Mwah! Thanks for tuning in, guys. Love you. Bye.